He played a prank on his girlfriend, but things didn't go his way.
Jesus! Oh my God! Baby! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I can't keep doing this with you.
Baby,
What makes you think I'm gonna dress up and look like Jesus walking out here?
I just wanted to scare you. I wanted to really see if you were ready. I really wanted to see if you were ready, but I see. Oh, your drink, baby.
Jacob!
I'm sorry.
I said this dog did it. I can't keep doing this with you. What makes you think I'm gonna go buy a wig and act crazy?
Baby, what are you
I'm
doing?
never gonna...
Oh, hey, it's just a prank.
You know anybody that wants a free husband?
No,
Free man?
It was just a joke. She definitely couldn't be
He's free. You can take it. I'm done. I'm moving. I'm moving out of this house.
Have a good
This
one.
isn't fair.
Baby, come back.
Like some chemical smell.
Yeah,
You'll
stinks.
smell it.
Look, this is no
And he threw flakes in it.
Mommy,
Put the
this is
stuff
no
down and then
car.
you throw the Sorry.
Holy shit!
Sorry. I'm here to pick up something.